Okay, I'm going to say you could do the antiderivative, and I'm not saying otherwise, but I don't want to do that. What I want to do is simply say there is an antiderivative to it. I'm going to call it the big F, all right? So it's going to be the big F, let's see, of t, and then I evaluate that from x squared to x4, all right? What do you do over here? D dx. I'm going to evaluate that function. That's the big function. That's the antiderivative. And again, whether you know the antiderivative or not is incidental at this point. And then x squared. What I'm going to do now, differentiate. And what do you get? Well, the derivative of the antiderivative is just a function. So I'll write this down, f. We'll talk about what f is in a moment. x4 times, I go to the chain rule, 4x cubed. Well, the derivative of this thing is going to be little f of x squared, chain rule 2x. What's little f? Let me write it over here. Little f of x is going to be this thing over here, which is simply root 3x. All right, I'll write this down for you. And it's going to be, let's see, it's going to be the root, right, 3x4 times 4x cubed. We'll do that in a moment. The root of 3x squared times 2x. I want to simplify this. And looking at it, it really doesn't look that bad. For example, the square root of x4 is just x squared. So you're going to get 4. X squared times x cubed is x5. And then you can get the root of 3. I'll kind of clean that up a little bit later too. The next one's a little more challenging for me. And the reason for that, the square root of x squared is not x. It's the absolute value of x. Then you get root 3. And then you get 2x. Let me clean it up a tiny bit, and I'm going to put down 4 root 3, x5. Over here, I'm going to write down 2x, absolute value of x. You know what? I forgot the root 3. Let me go back and do that again. 2 root 3, x, absolute value of x. I'm going to put a box in that. I'm going to say that's what I was looking for. And let's see if we got that. And I'm looking at this thing over here. I got the first term. Did I get the second term? Minus, well, 2 root 3 x root x. I'm sorry, x, absolute value of x. We did fine. Thank you.